Good morning, teacher. The chosen character was Jaime Garzón. Jaime Garzón was the third of four children of Ana Margarita Forero Portela and Félix María Garzón Cubillos. His brothers, Jorge, Alfredo, Wow is a caricaturist of the Espectador. Jaime and María Soledad Garzón Forero, pedagogue, communicator, and writer. They live in the neighborhood of downtown Bogotá, San Diego, on 29th Street with the 5 Rays. His father, Félix María Garzón Cubillos, died on September 23, 1968, while Jaime Garzón was 70 years old. Garzón went a boy student in a seminar where he showed a lot of impertinence and little respect to the authorities. His entry into the national media's world made him a recognized pioneer of political humor in Colombia television. He played an important role in the process of the 1990s in Colombia and in the revelation of hostile held by the FARC-EP. Among his most famous characters is Heriberto de la Calle, Repostero William Garra, Godofredo Cínico Caspa, Dioselina Tibaná. At age 38 of August 23, 1999, he was murdered in Bogotá by two assassins near the Radionet radio station where he worked. In different occasions, Garzón was expressed that they had been the victim of their deaths. Thank you very much.